Good morning, children. So here we can start today's class. And as I informed you earlier, we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson 9, stems and leaves. Okay, lesson 9, stems and leaves. So take your rough book. Children, everyone take your rough book fast and write. Let me write it on the board. Okay. Chapter number, chapter name, we need to write it in the rough book. Yes. Today, what is today's date, children? What is today's date?
November 24.
Okay, 24, 11, 21. Okay. Okay, so write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, lesson number 9. Okay, which is the lesson number, Eden? Yes, rough book, lesson 9. What is its name, Eden? What is its name?
Stems and leaves.
Stems and leaves. Okay, are you interested to learn this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay,
Yes.
so after learning this chapter, you can go and watch the plants which are there in your compound, isn't it? You can see that one, you can understand, you can observe the characteristics of this all. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am. I joined late.
Okay. So be punctual in the attending class. Okay. So here, children, this chapter is all about plants and plant parts. And in that plant parts, especially, we are going to learn about stems and leaves. So in the previous class, we already learned the importance of plants, isn't it? Is it important? Is these plants are important? Angelica,
Yes.
Angelica, let me ask you, Angelica. Angelica,
Um,
is this plants are important?
Angelina.
Angelina, yes, Angelina K. Okay. Angelina, tell me. Is these plants are important to us?
Yes.
Yes. Why these plants are important? Who can tell me? Okay, Angelina, mute your audio. Who can tell me why these plants are important for us?
We need air.
Wait. Abu, yes, tell me, Abu.
We need air. Plants
We need air. We need air. Is it air? Is it air that we need, or what is?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. So you learn the chapter composition of air. So you should not say that we need air. Yes, of course we need air. Rather than what it is, we should be very peculiar. We should specify. Yeah, we should specify what is to be needed. That is oxygen.
Okay.
Oxygen is required for our living, isn't it? So this oxygen, it is Rida.
I heard your activity.
Okay, good. Okay, let me check it. Okay, after this, after explaining this. So we in the previous chapter we understood the importance of plants, planting trees. We should plant more and more plants so that we can keep our air clean. Then only we can live. So that all we know. So how does these plants prepare oxygen, produce oxygen? That also you understood. Isn't it, Prarthana? Can you tell me? Prarthana, how does these plants produce oxygen?
First, it gives us oxygen.
It
Gives us oxygen.
How does it produces oxygen? How does it produce oxygen? Who can tell me? How? Yes, Joanne. Everyone listen to Joanne. Yes, Joanne, tell me.
Plants take in carbon dioxide to make their food, and
Yes.
they let out oxygen.
Okay, while they prepare their food, they produce oxygen. They release oxygen.
Ma'am, they want water.
Yes, along with carbon dioxide, they require water, nutrients, sunlight, isn't it? So these all are required for them. Using these all, they prepare food. What is the name of that process? Preparing food by the leaves. What is that process? What is that? Photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis. About that one we will learn it today. Learn in this chapter. So these plants are very important, and plants have different parts. You know that.
My house have so many plants.
Famous?
Many.
Famous?
My house has so many.
Okay, in your compound, so many plants are there. Very good, very good. So
Plants.
children, yes, okay. So mute your audio, everyone. Stain, I can't see stain. I can see stain's house. Okay, keep your, adjust your camera. Let me see your face. So here, children, these plants have different parts. Who can tell me the different parts of a plant? In the smaller class, you learn. Lakshmika. Yes, Lakshmika. Which are the different parts of a plant? Tell me fast.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, Abu. Lakshmika is ready. Lakshmika, it is not there in the textbook. Just in the previous, see, in the previous class. Genesia. Okay, Lakshmika, wait. Genesia, tell me.
Root.
Yes,
And
roots. We
roots.
should start from roots. Roots are the parts of the plant which we can't see, isn't it? They are under the ground. The parts of the plant that is under the ground, that is roots.
They have.
Yes.
Root.
Yes, roots help them to. Families, please mute your audio. Okay, whenever in between, see Genesia, I gave chance to Genesia, let her to tell it. Okay, so roots keep the plants in the soil, isn't it? Roots helps to keep the plant in the soil, so that it is over. Genesia, about the roots, what is there? Lakshmika?
Plants need also sunlight.
Yeah, that it is there. Okay, mute it. Yes, Genesia, tell me about the roots, what are present?
Stem.
Stem. Okay, the stem, it is the part of the plant which we can see above the ground. That is called stem. Okay, so Genesia, after that stem, roots are there. Leaves. So stem bears leaves. Isn't it? Yeah, stem bears leaves, then only the leaves are there. Oh, Dev Darshak is with that plant emoji.
Flower.
Flowers. Yes, flowers. Then, yes. So Chidrap, is it a plant behind you? Is it a plant? It is kept behind you. Chidrap, is it a plant?
Yes.
Then take it and show it. So we will get a live demo of the parts of the plant. Can you see that? Chidiru, behind your table, you can see a plant. Why he is? Yes, okay, Afrin, thank you. So here, let me spotlight Afrin. Yes, show it, Afrin. Yes, so you can see is it a money plant?
Yes.
Yes, so in that one you can see it is you can see the roots there. Maybe it is not clear, but stems are there. Then on the stem, what all are present? Leaves are present, isn't it? Yeah, leaves. So as the money plant produces only the leaves, we can't see any fruits, flowers, that all on the this plant. Okay.
Can I show?
Who is that?
Family.
Farmers. Okay, what you want to show, farmers? I can't hear you. What you want to show? Fast.
I saw a plant.
Okay, okay. Yes. Is it okay? Chidaru, show it. Yes. Okay. So that is also a money plant, isn't it? Chidaru. Okay, so here you can see the green leaves, stems of it, and the roots. We can't see the fruits and flowers of it. But okay, Abhinav. Okay. So I know you all have, yeah, Advait, very good. Yeah, lucky bamboo. Isn't it? Advait, keep it with you. Okay, I want that one also. Lucky bamboo. Okay. So children, oh, pharmacist with a big plant. Okay, good. So children, here we can see the roots, the stem bears leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Isn't it? So in this chapter, we are going to learn about stems and leaves, particularly about stems and leaves. Okay. So some of the students, Anam, listen here. Some of the students brought a plant. Okay, those have that one. Please take it, children. Please take it. So I think most of you have money plant, isn't it? Money plant. Yes, Devadash, what you want?
Ma'am, I am planting a mango tree.
Oh, you planted a mango sapling. Oh, very good. Okay.
Planting avocado.
Avocado. Okay, good. So children, here you can see. Yes, here you can see.
I planted a custard apple tree.
Oh, wow, very good. So children, yes, very good. I appreciate your, you are motivated to plant trees by learning that chapter, previous chapter, right? Very good. Keep it up.
I see some seeds of
So Abhinav is keeping this one. See, here you can see the plants which all here it is shown by the different students. These all we can keep it in indoor. We can keep it in the house, isn't it? So why we choose these plants to keep it in the house? Why you are not choosing a mango sapling or a jackfruit sapling or in the tree in the house? What is the reason? Who can tell me?
Ma'am.
Rita, not now. Keep it down, okay?
And I can tell. Plant gives money.
Ethan, tell me. Reeve, Ethan, tell me.
I'm not.
See, most of us, see, when you are showing, some are keeping the lucky bamboos, money plants, these all like these plants in your house, inside the house. Why you are not keeping any coconut tree, mango tree, jackfruit tree and all? That is big.
I have coconut tree and mango tree.
One by one. Sarah, I'm giving chance to Sarah. Why? What is the reason? Okay, these are big trees. So their roots will be very big. Their stem will be different, right? So here I want to see the plants which you are keeping in your house. Okay, those are keeping it with you now. They have all soft, small stems, isn't it? Soft and smooth stem. Just check it, take it and check it. Yes, these are very soft. So when we compare to the other trees like which one? Coconut, mango tree, jackfruit tree, their stem, it is very different. Am I right, children?
Yes.
Am I right? So the stem of the trees, we can call it as trunk. Okay, stem of the trees like mango, then jackfruit, coconut, these are stems we can call another name that is very brown and woody. Am I right? The stem of the trees like mango tree, jackfruit tree, coconut tree, another trees. So these all their stems are very strong, very hard, brown in color. What is the color, Reeve? What is the color of the stem of the mango tree? Reeve, remove it. You remove the filters. Remove the filters. Okay, brown in color. So not only that, it is woody, very hard. But when you are looking at the plant which you are keeping in front of you, is it brown in color, children? Others can also see it. See, Advait is kept it is lucky bamboo. Yeah, is it a Woody, is it a brown in color?
No.
No. So what is the color of that stem? What is the color of that stem? Green. Okay, green color. Okay.
also in the plants.
Yeah, everyone is having that one. Very good. So green in color. Is it very hard? Is it hard, children?
Soft.
Very soft,
Very
tender.
soft.
Very soft, tender. We can call it as tender. By using hand itself, we can break it. Isn't it? Isn't it? So Abu, listen. Abu, please wait. Okay, I will give you a chance. So in that one, you can see stems are of different type. Soft, tender, green colored stems are there, like the stem of the plants which you are keeping with you, and woody, dark, dark brown or woody hard stems are there, like the stems of the coconut. That and so here I want to say you children, what is the name of the stem of the trees like coconut and all? What we call it?
Branches.
Oh, branches. You said branches. Trunk. Okay, so today's first new word, trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Take your rough book. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. The stem of a big tree is called trunk. What is trunk? The stem of a big tree. Stem of a big. See, children, write it fast. That stem of a big tree is called trunk. Okay, sometimes that may ask for the exams. Dash is called the stem of a big tree. What it is? What is the name? Trunk. Okay, yeah. So another otherwise we can ask, what is Devamitra? What do you mean by trunk? Yes, what do you mean by trunk, Devamitra?
Trunk.
Yes.
Uh,
What do you mean by trunk?
the stem of a big tree
Is called trunk.
is
Okay.
called trunk.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
So now you understood the difference between the trunk and the stem of the money plant?
Yes.
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 The both it is stem. Both it is stem that carries leaves, flowers, fruits, these all things. Okay. But according to the nature of the tree, these are of different. The hard brown colored woody stem of the big trees, that we can call it as trunk. Okay, so that is the first new word of this chapter and today's also. Yeah. So, yes,
I got a plant of my own.
you?
I got a plant of my own.
Okay, who is saying this?
Joanne.
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 Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. You
Ma'am.
got a plant of your own means you planted it?
No, I buy it.
You bought it?
Yes.
Okay, okay, from some gardens and all, you brought it? Nurseries. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. So shall I stop sharing, children?
Yes.
Complete this one?
Yes.
Okay. So somebody's audio is making so much sound. Okay. Yes. So here we are going to learn about different types of stems. Yes, Madhuru.
Can you share the board?
Yes, sure. If I share the board, I want to show some different types of stems also. So will you write it fast? Will you write it fast? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So Sarah, what do you mean by trunk, Sarah? Sarah.
Yes.
Yes. What do you mean by
The
trunk?
name of a big tree is called trunk.
Okay. Devadach, what is the spelling of trunk?
Trunk.
Okay, good. So let me see. Yes. Reeve.
Yes, ma'am.
The stem of a big tree is called dash. Trunk. Okay. So can you Reeve, can you call the stem of this one money plant like a trunk?
No,
No. Okay. Why we can't call it as a trunk?
they are soft.
Very good. They are soft and tender. We can break it using our own hand, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. Very
Can
good.
I also say?
Yes. So here, children, this Advait Krishna. Can you show that lucky bamboo? Can you show? Yes. So children, let me spotlight that. Okay. So here is something different. Okay. See, when we touch, see in that one you can see the roots also. Different types of, see, a bunch of root, isn't it? So in this picture, in this plant, children, you can see the stem. Can you show the stem? Abhinand, can you show the stem? Yes. See how you feel, Abhinand. How do you feel by touching the stem of the this bamboo? And what is that you are feeling any difference? Listen here. Do you feel any difference while you touch? While you touch the trunk of the mango tree? Trunk of the mango tree? Huh?
Yes.
Is it the same feeling? Is it the same feeling? No. So what do you feel by touching the stem of this bamboo? Tell me. Is it soft or hard? Soft. Okay. So stems are of different type. Sometimes you will not be able to touch the bamboos. Okay. But if you get a chance just to touch the stem of the bamboos, that is very smooth and soft. Okay, soft, not like the stem trunk of the coconut or these mango trees, big trees. Yes, so like that, they have bamboo trees have soft stem. Okay, and another one. Yes, Advait, keep it down. And another one, let me, Abhinav KB, keep it down. Okay, I will show you another picture. Yeah. 1 minute. So here, can you see the woody stem? And see, yes, and when you see some of the plants like which one, like this
Marigold.
yeah, marigold or
Lotus.
yeah, they are all, you can see hairy stem. Can you see in this picture, first picture? It is like a hairy stem. Okay, pumpkin stems. When we touch it, we won't like to touch it because there is no small hairs are there. Okay. Yes. So some of the plant stems have some hairy structure.
Ma'am.
Yes. So I think you understood these two types, woody stem and that is also hairy stem. Yes. Yes, Brahmadat. Brahmadat. Brahmadat? Yes, I will show the book.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Oh, Afif. Okay, Afif, tell me. Brahmadat, I will show that. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the hairy stems, when we touch them, we will feel tickly.
Yes, that is also. Yes. And how you feel when you touch the stem of the rose plant? Do you feel tickling? Do you feel tickling?
No,
You will feel pain, right? Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes if you are not touching it properly, the blood, it may start to bleed also. Your fingers may start to bleed also. Isn't it? Yeah. Yes. So beware of these roses. Don't. Yeah, sharp spines are there. So in this, Brahmadat, is it okay? Is it okay, Brahmadat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, now itself you saw a different types of stems, isn't it?
Yes.
Woody stem,
Ma'am.
soft stem, hairy stem, stems with spines, isn't it? Yeah. So likewise, different types of stems are there. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Abhinav Krishna. Let me spotlight Abhinav's stem. Yes. See, roots are there, stems are there, leaves are there. Yes. Okay. I think, is it a bamboo? Is it lucky bamboo or something?
Bamboo.
Yes. There also you can see the soft stem of it. Isn't it? Okay. Thank you. Yes, thank you. So, yeah, see children, likewise, different types of stems are there. And what is the function of these all stems? Make the plant erect, keep the plant erect, isn't it? See, if these stems are not there, how the leaves will be there? So the stems which shown, the plants which all shown in this class, so many students brought the plants, they are all you can see. Yes, Vans. Okay. Yes. Yes. So there all you can see these stems keep the plant erect. What do you mean by the word erect? Make it stand straight.
Stand straight.
Yes, stand straight. So if you are
Ma'am,
if you are
I want
sitting
to
it
say-
in the class and if you are just looking outside
say-
through the window, you can see lot of plants, lot of trees. Now, so which part of the tree makes it to stand erect? Which part of the plant makes it to stand erect? Yes, the stem. Yes.
Ma'am, I want to
Okay.
say one thing.
Who?
Ma'am, Rida.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, little plants who don't want dirt, it will stand with the water.
Yes, for taking the water. Okay, so stems are absorbing water, nutrients from the land. Yes, Lashmika is showing it. And see children, I want to show most of the plants stems makes the trees to stand erect. But I will show some pictures. Okay. Same way, money plants, so many money plants you show me. So here you can see this one, these stems are not that much hard. Yeah, these stems are not much strong. Okay, they need support to grow.
To stand. So
Yes,
we
to
will
grow or to stand, isn't it? So these
and
type
put
of
it in a middle.
stems are called.
Plants are climbing.
Children, mute your audio, please, everyone. Without mic.
Your video is off.
Okay, that is in between it is happening. Okay, no problem. So here children, in this picture, you can see the stem. It is a weak stem and it needs some support to stand erect. These type of plants are called climbers. Some stems are climbers. We need to give them support. Okay, so grapevines, there's this one, money plant. So many types of examples are there. In your garden also you can see different types of climbers, isn't it?
Yes.
And another one. Wait 1 minute.
Ma'am, like this.
Yeah, pumpkin plants. Have you seen pumpkin plants? Yeah, that Afrin is showing one. Which one? Climber. Okay, Afrin is showing one climber. And pumpkin plant, have you seen pumpkin plant?
Off.
Yes, pumpkin plants, we can see they are running along the ground. Running along the ground.
Ma'am,
Okay, so these stems also, their stems also are very weak. They also can't stand erect. That is why it is running across the, growing across the, along the ground. Okay, pumpkin. Yes, watermelon, pumpkin, then strawberries. So these all are there. Okay, so yes, like this type of different types of stems are there. Some stems may stand erect, some stems need support. Some stems will move across the along the ground. Okay, and some stems have so many branches, isn't it? So branches also be there. But this palm tree, this coconut tree, can you find any branches on it? No. But the what all the trees which are familiar to you, that all bear what? Branches, isn't it? On the birds
Ma'am.
may make nest.
Can I show one climber?
Who is that?
Ma'am,
Daksha. Okay, okay. Children, do you want to see Daksha's climber? Okay.
Yes.
Do it
Ma'am.
fast. Do it fast. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Okay. So in up to this time, we can revise this topic. What is the topic that we learned today?
Stems and leaves.
Okay. Did we learn about leaves today?
No.
No. We discussed only about the stem. Isn't it? Yes. We discussed only about the stem. Okay. So Afrin Fatima is showing the which one? Yeah, oxygen carbon dioxide cycle. Very good. So you can keep it in your portfolio. Okay. So very good. Very good. Rida, at the beginning of this class, Rida was showing it. Where it is, Rida? Is it okay? Yeah, fast. Daksha, is that your plant is ready?
Ma'am, show it very long.
You showed it. Where?
ma'am, was the oxygen and the carbon dioxide picture a activity?
No. It is not an activity. Okay, not. So I told if you are interested, you can draw it and do. Okay. So the this one activity is in that picture. In the workbook, one picture is there. That's only. Okay. So Rida and Afrin, if you are showing it here also, you have to draw it in the workbook. Okay. One day I will fix it to check the activity. So here, Joanne.
Yes, ma'am.
Joanne. Yes. Joanne, can you read this textbook?
Okay, ma'am.
Page number 6. So in the textbook, page number 6 and 7, up to leaves, you need to read it. Okay. How many times you will read, children?
5 times we want to read.
Oh, 5 times it will be very difficult. No, 3 times. Enough. Okay, 3 times enough. Okay. One time after this class, after that in the evening, and one time before the next period. Okay. At least likewise you should read, you should underline these all points. So Joanne, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You have learned about various types of plants.
Yes.
You have
Read
also
it loudly. So up to that time, I will take that attendance also. Okay.
You have also learned
Adam
that
is present.
has different parts. Now
Adam.
let us learn about the stems and leaves of plants in detail.
Abhinav.
The stem
Abhinav KB. Yes.
seen
Abu Tahir present.
It is
Advait Krishna
generally
present.
green.
Afif present.
When you
Friend Fatima present.
young,
Abel Varghese.
becomes woody and dark brown.
Abel Varghese.
Brown is different in different types of plants.
Absent.
The stem
Aldrin Joby.
The stem of a big tree is called the trunk.
Ananda Krishnan.
Stems
Ananda Krishnan.
For example, mango
Anam present. Angelina present. Anthony Babu.
have no branches. Stems are
Anthony Babu.
erect, but in some
Absent.
plants,
Aradhya.
creepy and twisty.
Aidan present.
For
Austin.
example, pumpkin plants have creepy stems.
Austin.
The stem of the rose
Bhagat.
fruit
Bhagat.
is
Brahmadat. Yes. Brahmadat present. Chindaru present. Daksha present.
hair.
Then Devadaksh.
The stem of
present. Okay. Okay, Joanne. Thank you. Okay. So children, you have to read it properly. Devanandan.
present, ma'am.
Can I get the page number?
Devash.
Present, ma'am.
Devash.
Present,
Dulfil present. Jenicia present. Joanne present. Jovak present. Lakshmika present. Madhru present. Mitra present. Muhammad Famis present. Prarthana present, Reeve present, Rida present, Rohan Bose. Rohan,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sarah. Sarah, absent. Sriveni, present. Stain, present. Ujjwal, present. Vaiga. Vaiga.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Yadunandan. Yadu is not attending. Last day also absent. Okay, so today's absent is Adam, Abel Varghese, Anthony Babu, then Sarah and Yadunandan.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.